Alright, so today we are going to make the ZAGI relational sigma/ER diagram into SQL code. And to start off, step one is going to be create database save. Alright, and then all we do is highlight it, and then that bada bing bada boom, we cut that, refresh, and it's going to be right there. Alright, so the next step is going to be to create each individual table for them. There's 8 in total. So to start off with, where you're going to do create table, just like the database vendor, right? And then we are going to do vendor ID charge 2, and this is the metadata. This is going to be describing what the data is at the top of each column of the table in the database. So for this, we only have 2 varchar 25 not null. Alright, and then for the primary key, we also have to add that. And our primary key is going to be the vendor ID. So it's just primary key, vendor ID, and then close off with a semicolon. Alright, so we got that. Now what we do from here is just highlight it, just like to create the database itself. Something did not work. Maybe it did. No. No, did. Oh. I forgot to use Saga command to actually implement it. Alright. Successfully implemented now. And if we go down to our schemas, we got the Saga database, and underneath it, the vendor table. Brilliant. Alright. So the next table we got is create table category. Alright, and then we got open parentheses, category ID char 2 not null. I'm going to try to edit this down for poor GA who has to spend like 15 hours of their life to watch all these. I'll probably make an edited version, not edited version, just in case I need the non-edited version. Just cut out some of the fluff. Key, and it's going to be category ID. That is if I get time though. I got one other project in data structures that I gotta do. Alright, and I kind of just made a line here to separate it, and when we're all done, use it to do the implementation command. Alright, we successfully implemented that, and there we go, category. Alright, and next we got product. This one is a little longer. Create table product. Alright, and then open parentheses, product ID char 3 not null, and then product name varchar 25 unlike the ER diagram and the relational sigma, numeric, you have to put the primary keys and foreign keys in twice, because the first time just add the metadata in to tell the system, hey, this is the metadata that needs to be on the table, and then you have to have another line of code that purely describes that piece of metadata in the code as a primary or foreign key. All right. Category ID char not null. All right. And now we're on to our primary and foreign keys. Primary key. Product ID, comma. You gotta make sure you get the commas. It's foreign key, vendor ID. I'm probably going to misspell something because I got dyslexia and I'm trying to do this as fast as possible so I can get it uploaded, because the library closes at 8 p.m. on Saturday, which I did not know about. My house is about to record this, so I need to get it uploaded the same day. Category. Alright. So to explain the foreign keys a little bit more, if I can, it's hard to multitask. Basically, okay. That's the product table. We should do it with the next one. Create table region. Okay. Store ID varchar 3. Not null. Alright. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll just see what happens. Region name, varchar. Oh yeah. Yeah, varchar 25. Not null. Alright. And primary key region ID. Alright. Same thing. This will be our fourth table. Use. And then that. Do not mess up my actual code. Oh, I did store ID. Okay, whoops. Perfect. Alright, refresh. There's our fourth out of 8th table. Alright, separate it. Now we're doing store. Alright. Create table. Store. store store D varchar 3 not null store zip char 5 not null. Perfect. And then region ID, which is going to be a foreign key because it relates to. Oh, I forgot to. Oh, I guess that wasn't a requirement, was it? Primary. I was going to show off the ER diagram, but I forgot to pull it up beforehand, so yeah, I would just be wasting time. I mentioned you already know what it looks like. You know what I'm going after. Region ID. References region. Okay, well I guess, yeah, there we go, my dyslexia. Am I going crazy? Oh. Okay. Okay, let's try to retype this. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Okay. I suppose let's explain foreign key a little bit more. So, foreign key, this right here, it tells you what the foreign key is. This refers to where it's from. Like is references is region, so it's the region's primary key, and then it just tells you what it's referencing from region, which is, yeah. So that's how that part works. Refresh. Okay, we got number 5. Cool. Create. Continue customer. This isn't even the long part. The long part's adding the values in, or the regular data. It's very, very, very particular. Customer zip char 5, and this one is going to be a most likely a dependent or what do you call it? Dependent entity. There you go. And because it doesn't have a primary key, and it's also most likely not to be a many-to-many relationship. I don't know for sure though, because I don't have it right in front of me, so please don't knock out grades if I'm wrong. Alright. The char set. Alright, that's peculiar. Customer ID does exist. Oh. What am I missing? There we go. refresh. Number 6, we got 2 more. Alright, create table sales transaction. Oh, and you can also delete this code once you're done with it, but I prefer not to because sometimes when you add the values or just the regular run-of-the-mill data, you know, there are sometimes some errors that you find that you accidentally made, you know, in the just making the tables, and it's a pain in the butt trying to go back, recode that, and find it. So like that probably wouldn't work, but store ID, we got three, not null. Okay, T date, not null. Alright, and that is going to display the date, obviously. Primary key TID. Alright. Then we got 2 foreign keys, which are customer ID and store ID. Oh, parentheses before I forget and be like, why is this not working? Okay. Customer, obviously, and then customer. And then, no, not yet. We still got one more. Getting too excited. I spelled the foreign key wrong. There we go. And then we got store ID. Finish it off. Alright. Use Zaggy. And then just implement it into the database. The database has received it. And then we are on to our last one, which is create table includes. Perfect. Primary. I know this microphone on this computer is pretty bad. Just for whatever reason, I couldn't. Well, not whatever reason. I could not get the. I have 2 laptops. And this is my old rundown Dell. I work for a computer recycling company, but I've been meaning to buy another Dell laptop because this one I don't really like. It has tons of hotspots.
But yeah, my microphone's super bad. It has an SSD, which is super slow. So I apologize for the horrible quality that you will get to experience with my mic. Okay. Okay. Let's try deleting this and then. Dude, that's like, it's my least favorite word. Product. Huh, okay. Well, let's see what error code I get. Okay. Let's see what happens when I run it. Let's see what error code I get. Okay. Product ID. SQL syntax. Alright. Oh, no, never mind. I was like, maybe I missed a comma. Huh. Okay. Shoot. Okay, so we got TID from up here. TID is varchar 8, null. Alright, that's peculiar. Maybe let's try this. Oh, I forgot the primary key. Okay. Whoops. TID. God, dude. Foreign key. Let's retype this. Perfect. Almost. Now it's perfect. Cool. Okay, now this is our 8th and final table that we need to add. We refresh it, and there it is. Alright. That is absolutely perfect. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is insert all of the values into the tables we just made. So we just made the tables and implemented the metadata. Now we're implementing the actual data. Alright, so to do this, insert into the table we want to insert. So we're going to do vendor, since that was our first table, values, and then this is the data that we're implementing, and it has to be in apostrophes. And divided by commas, and the apostrophes have to be inside the commas. If they're outside, it's going to mess up your whole entire code. And that should be capital, not like it matters. And these apostrophes kind of act like the quotation marks. And most other coding languages, for some reason, like Java
script that came in mind, but it's usable where it's like display this, print and so. That was probably a bad analogy, but I don't know. We'll see. All right. King. And this is the long part for me. And don't forget to add the semicolons. Alright, so these are the two values of vendor, right? So to implement them, all you gotta do is highlight them. You don't have to use the use syntax or syntax. Database name, Zaga or ZAGI. Alright, so it says that it we want, but to check, select star from vendor, highlight this, run it, and it's going to pop up, and we can see under vendor ID we got that, and vendor name is Mount King and Pacific Gear. So we're going to do this with all 8. So the next one we got is, okay, insert into category values. Alright. Let's just copy and paste this, just get this done as soon as possible. Alright. Then we got CP. Camping, bada bing, bada boom, and then FW dash footwear. Alright, see, I made a mistake right there. The entire code's broken. What do we do? Well, I forgot to add apostrophe at the front, so there we go. And now we're good to go. Insert it. Perfect. Just to check, select star from category, highlight. And this isn't the only way to check out. It's part of the requirements to show you the other way, which I will do later on. Okay, insert. We got 6 values. It looks like, yeah. Insert into product values. So we're just gonna do this. Highlight it, copy, and then paste it 5 times. So copy. Oh, didn't even do that. And one more. Perfect. Or, no, one more. Okay. So we got 1 times 1, apostrophe, ZZZ, apostrophe, comma, oh wait, no, bag, comma, apostrophe 100, which, if I remember correctly, that's the price. PG would be the rating. No, it's the vendor. And then CP is, I don't remember. 2 times 2 apostrophe. Yeah, like whole code down here completely broken because I forgot this apostrophe. It messes me up so much, especially once we get into like the includes and sales transactions, because there's so much. Easy boot, right? 70 NK, and then, oh, forgot the apostrophe, so the comma was glowing. FW. Perfect. Semicolon. Colon. 3 times 3. What do we got? Cozy sock. Forgot apostrophe. What's this? 15. NK. Mountain King. And then we got FW. Alright. 4x4. Dura boot. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to try to trim this down if I can. 90 PG if I'm able to, or I got another assignment due today, so we'll see in a minute. I don't know. Probably won't happen, but I hope to. I'm sure we're watching this on like 2 times speed anyways, so we'll see. We're doing like 3 at a time or something. 5x5. Tiny tent. 50. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I was allowed to put this in a Google Doc and like copy and paste the majority of this, so I was like, Piggy tent. $250. Oh yeah. Oh, my legs getting numb. Mountain King, and then we got CP. Alright, and this is all of the data for product. Oh, just so the code's not broken. What's going on here? Oh, comma. Alright, now we're good. So we should be able to insert without any problems. Cool. Select. Star. I hope I didn't mess anything up. SQL isn't case sensitive, so I shouldn't be deleting. It's just, you know, it's have it. There you go. Into a region. Oh, let's get rid of this. The values, and we only got 2 of these. Perfect. And then these are easy. C for Chicago. Forgot the thingy right there, and then port. No, not Portland. Tri-state. Okay, and then right there. Should not break the code. Perfect. Select from region. Perfect. Perfect. got store, insert into store values. Alright, I believe that there's 3 of them. This one, 6,600, and then C for Chicago. And in the statement, and then 66 over 65. And Chicago again. Apparently Chicago has a lot of imports or exports. And this one's 35,400. Perfect. There we go. So store, I believe this is 5 out of 8. We're probably about halfway done inputting the values because there's a lot in sales transactions and includes from store. Awesome. Customer. Customer values. And if you're wondering what I'm looking at, I have my Apple laptop opening with the slide showing me the data. So I don't have to go back and forth on this or write it all down, whatever. Customer values. I should just copy and paste this. What the? I'm having a stroke. Alright. Let's just copy and paste this so I don't have to write it again. You don't have to see me struggle like that again. Alright. Uh, 2-3-444. Perfect. Tony. 60611 apostrophe like that. 3-4-555. Bam. Just 35,401. Perfect. Alright. Alright, let's double check. Select. And this would be 6 out of 8. Have the value tables implemented. Ooh, I should bring water up here. Okay, perfect. Okay. Insert. This is where it starts getting long and annoying. Then we can do This is also the part where my code doesn't like to cooperate. So we'll see if we have any problems. I hope we don't, because that takes away from valuable uploading time for YouTube. Oh, let's go ahead and add these since I forgot them. Perfect. Okay, never mind. I was like, oh, why are they alternating colors here? Yeah. It's because they're open statements still. 1-2-333. I'm assuming it looks like a foreign key from that. Or not a foreign keyword. No. I don't remember what you call it. Alright, and then we add the date. -01, which is the day. And then this would be the month, if I'm not mistaken. Could be very easily. Okay, let's go ahead and do this, since this is easy. Ooh. And then just close them off, so I don't school project. 2-3-444 S2 2020-01-01. Alright. 1-2-333 S3, and the rest of these are S3. So if I can remember that, I will have to look over and get this done a little bit faster. And these are 02-01. And then 1-2, comma, 1-2-333, and then I said all these were S3 from now on, and then the same goes with over here, where it's 02 instead of 01 now. S3 2020-02-01. Okay, and that should be it. Cross my fingers. Okay, that's just a warning. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're good. TID, customer ID, store ID, date. Perfect. Okay, one more, and it's a longer one. Okay, and this one has 9 values. And 2 includes values, and then open, and then let's do that. And then just copy and paste this 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, alright. So we got 1 times 1. T111 as bad. Okay, 3 times 3. T333. And then we got the number 5. I believe that's. I'm not going to say anything. I don't know for sure. Okay. Sorry. T333. I hope we're still recording. 4 times 4. T444 dash 1. Okay. 2 times 2. Comma. T44. Comma 2. Okay, last 3. 4 times 4. T555, and that's going to be all the way down. Alright, and then we've got. I almost broke the code. 4. 5 times 5. Oh, yeah, T555. And then we got 2. 6 times 6 dash T555, and then forgot the comma right here. No, I did not. I forgot it right here. I forgot the theme right there. Okay, this looks good. It's usually the most intimidating one for me. Perfect. Select from include. Okay, let's see what we got. And it's all there. Awesome. Okay. Well, we're about to finish out the project. So we have all the code. Alright, and then one of the criteria is I show you this. So search table data, start search, and then we got all the current customers right here. Alright, and then you want me to show you all the customers names starting with the letter T. So I just type in T, start search, searching 2 rows, and then we got Tina and Tony, which is perfect. And for the final request, you want me to add 2 values, right? Alright, yeah. I'm going to add 2 values. So, 2 values to the customer. So right here, it doesn't have to be right here, just make it easier to customer value. Which makes it easier for me to copy. 2-3-555, and then this dude's name is Mike Lazowski, and then we got their zip. Alright, into customer values, same thing, 2-3-666, Susan. Okay, 60644. Wait a minute, oh, comma, and then also We are missing these. Oh, for both of them. Awesome. Okay. So now we're going to highlight this, insert them in the tables, and right click, search data table, start search, and we should see 5 rows now instead of 3. And we got Susan and we got Pam. Yes. All right. Well, that's that. I hope they got everything because I really don't want to record this again.